Good morning, students. I am Vinay Kumar by name. I am going to pick up the thread of the story from where I had left the previous day. I was studying in the junior class at that time and was watching the whole drama from the rooftop. I don't know what came over me suddenly. I grabbed a cane from the hands of one of the teachers and ran down the stairs and into the open. The elephant grunted and menacingly swung a branch of a tree which it held in its trunk. It stamped its feet, kicking up a lot of mud and dust. It looked frightening, but I moved slowly towards it, a stick in hand. People were watching the scene, hypnotized from nearby housetops. The elephant looked at me, red-eyed, ready to rush towards me. It lifted its trunk and trumped loudly. At that moment, I moved forward and, mustering all my force, whacked its third toenail on the quick. The beast looked stunned for a moment. Then it shivered from head to foot and collapsed. At this point, Iswaran would leave the story unfinished and get up mumbling, "I will be back after lighting the gas and warming up the dinner." Mahendra, who had been listening with rapt attention, would be left hanging. When he returned, Iswaran would not pick up the thread of the story right away. Mahendra would have to remind him that the conclusion was pending. Well, a veterinary doctor was summoned to revive the animal. Iswaran would shrug casually. 2 days later, it was laid away by its mahout to the jungle. "Well, how did you manage to do it, Iswaran? How did you bring down the beast?" "It has something to do with a Japanese art, I think, sir, karate or jiu-jitsu it is called. I had read about it somewhere. It temporarily paralyzes the nervous system, you see." Now I come to the difficult words regarding the paraphrase or paragraph. Rooftop means on the terrace. Came over me means fell upon me. Grabbed means took forcibly. Cane means a stick. Grunted means trumped. Menacingly means in a threatening manner. Swung means shook. Stamped means to crush with foot. Frightening means terrifying. Hypnotized means fascinated. Mustering means collecting. Whacked means resounded hard blow. Stunned means made senseless with blow. Shivered means trembled. Collapsed means fell down. Unfinished means incomplete or pending. Wrapped means great attention. Thread means word or line according to the story. Veterinary means connected with taking care of animals. Summoned means called. To revive means to treat. Shrug means to raise shoulders to express lack of interest. Temporarily means for some time. Paralysis means to lose ability to move or feel. Nervous system means main system of nerve control. Now come to the paragraph. Further, Iswaran now started to say that he was studying in the junior class, means primary class, at that time. And he was watching the whole activity, the total drama, from the roof of the building. Further, he said he didn't know what fell upon suddenly. He grabbed a cane, took a cane from the hands from the teachers, and ran to the stairs and also into the open area of the school. Then the elephant started to make the sound and collecting and started to move the branches of the tree. Which branches of tree the elephant held in its trunk. Then the elephant crushed this branch of the tree with its feet and started to flew off a lot of mud and dust. This scene appeared frightening. In spite of this, Iswaran moved towards the elephant, taking a stick in his hand, and all the people who were present there, they watching the scene with fascination from the nearby housetops. And the elephant was looking at Iswaran with angry-eyed, with red-eyed. And the elephant was ready to run quickly to Iswaran. Then the elephant lifted its trunk and started to make the sound. At that time, Iswaran moved forward and collecting his all force and waked means beat the elephant's third toenail quickly. Then the elephant became senseless for some time. Then the elephant started to shiver from head to foot and then it fell down. After reaching this point, Iswaran left the story incomplete and started to speak in undertone way. And further he said he would be back after lighting the gas and also warming the meal. Mahendra, who was listening the story of Iswaran with rapt attention, he was in the middle of the story, he was also in suspense. When Iswaran returned, Iswaran would not start the story from the line where he had left before going. Then Mahendra would have to remind Iswaran that the conclusion of the story was not completed. Then Iswaran further said that a veterinary doctor was called to treat the animal. And then Iswaran, without showing any interest, he concluded that after 2 days, the elephant was led to the jungle by its mahout. Having hearing the story of Iswaran, Mahendra raised 2 questions to Iswaran. It is okay. How did you manage? Manage means arrange to do it, Iswaran. How did you bring down means fell down the beast? Then there was the answer of Iswaran that it has something to do with means it is the kind of a Japanese art. And he said that Mahendraji with respectfully that it is called कराटे or jujitsu, the name of this karate, or this is the name of the Japanese art. And he also said that he had read about this Japanese art somewhere, that this Japanese art temporarily means for some time, paralyzes means to weaken the nervous system. He said to Mahendraji that you understand. So this is the effect of Japanese art, which is called karate or jujitsu. Thank you for today. I completed. Next day I start next paraphrase or paragraph. Thank you for today.